Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to adjust graphic settings for better performance in PUBG. If you're experiencing lag, low FPS or overheating problem while playing PUBG Mobile, then adjusting your graphic settings can greatly improve performance and make gameplay smoother. First of all, launch open the PUBG game on your device. You may open it up on your mobile device or your tablets, and once you're inside the home page of PUBG, go ahead and click on the arrow button at the bottom right corner to open up this expanded menu. From here, go tap on the settings button on the top right, and once you're inside this account info section, from the menu go to graphics on the right corner. After you're inside your graphic preference section, go ahead and switch your graphic settings. Inside the graphic preferences, you'll see several different menus. You can choose better graphics or the balanced option from the menu. You can go ahead and select between better graphics, balanced, better frame rate, or even customize the settings. Now, once you choose the graphic preference option, you can also adjust other graphic settings such as lobby graphics enhancement. Choose your style for your graphics. You can also increase or decrease the brightness under configure parameter, and once you do, you will be able to adjust the graphic settings. If you have a low-end device, make sure that you choose the lowest graphic preference. For low-end devices, make sure to disable the lobby graphics enhancement option. If you want to further customize your graphic, go to customize at the top right corner and click on customize in the pop-up. And from here, you can go ahead and choose the graphic settings according to your device's type. If you are on high-end devices, you can go ahead and choose the smooth or the super smooth option. If you have a low-end devices, then you can choose the balanced option, and you can also decrease your frame rate setting. Go ahead and choose power saving option under frame rate settings, and this will also save your power during the gameplay. And once you adjust these settings, you will be able to change your graphic settings in PUBG. Adjusting graphic settings will help you enjoy smoother gameplay, better FPS, and less lag in PUBG depending upon your device's type. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.